Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best DJ laptop stands that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Rockville RLS2400 lightweight folding DJ laptop stand. If you are tired of using those old-fashioned DJ laptop stands, it's time you switch to something a bit classy and sophisticated. And yes, one of these chic DJ laptop stands is the great Rockville lightweight stand. In case you are wondering how you will manage to take it with you wherever you are performing, worry not. This DJ laptop stand comes with a bag which makes it quite portable. It's not just for laptops only, as the name might suggest. You can even use it to place your mixer, CD players, DJ interfaces, and accessories. Its heavy-duty construction gives it enough strength to withstand a considerable amount of weight. It's an incredibly high-quality DJ laptop stand which boasts a rugged multi-purpose design. It comes with an additional shelf for audio and other electronics. It's fully collapsible to make it easily transportable. And yes, its lightweight adds to its portability. It also saves on space since it's folded for storage purposes. Its size also makes it quite convenient for a laptop. Assembling and disassembling can be done fast, making it quite comfortable. In fact, you do not need tools to disassemble or assemble. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Fortune by TM laptop stand. Fortune by TM is yet another popular name in this industry. It's a 14 inches laptop stand holder. Although the size is slightly smaller, it is the first leap, after all. In fact, its size is convenient for any laptop which measures 17 inches or less. It's also appropriate for MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. What's fascinating about this stand is the fact that it transports the heat produced by your machines, thus making your working environment less hot. And yes, it's such a comfy table for DJ as well as other activities like studying. Fortune by TM is a lightweight DJ laptop stand which ensures that you conveniently move around with it without much headache. It's also exceptionally sturdy, which means that you can comfortably assemble it without worrying about the safety of your laptop. This stand is also incredibly easy to use, which means that you can conveniently without the need for assistance. Its adjustable height adds to its excellent features. At number 3, we have the Pyle portable folding laptop stand. This DJ laptop stand is pretty solid and sturdy. It features an adjustable height and is very simple to set up. Pyle DJ laptop stand is at the same time compact and portable for the function it offers. And also has small rubber pads on the bottom of the stand, make it hold firm on surfaces without scratching the floor. This stand securely and dependably holds all sizes of laptops, iPad, and tablets. Pyle's convenient accessory tray holds a sound card, hard drives, small mixer and any other device you might like. It features a double peg holding on the tray that keeps laptop secure. Its steel frame will guarantee you the safety of your laptop, regardless of its size. You can trust this Pyle stand to safeguard your laptop. At number 2, we have the Samson LTS50 laptop stand. The Samson LTS50 laptop stand has a wonderful construction, and its build quality is of a high standard. It's steel construction with a smooth black powder-coated finish and has a quick release and sleek design. It has heavy-duty locking latches to allow quick adjustment and can easily fold up or down. It comes with a safety locking pin that is tethered by a short nylon strap, which provides increased support and safety for heavy laptops or projectors. This laptop stand measures 15.5 inches width by 11 inches deep and is large enough to hold most laptops. This laptop stand offers convenient, comfortable placement of your laptop computer in live performances or even when you are in the studio. Its lightweight feature and removable top and fold-up design prove to be roadworthy for increased portability. The top stand features a silicone surface to hold your laptop securely in place with tilt control for efficient positioning in any application. It is adjustable up to 4.5 feet in height with locking latches and a pin lock for increased support. can rest assured the LTS50 will keep your laptop within your reach and ready to perform. And finally at number 1, we have the Odyssey FCF3336BL Deluxe Folding DJ Stand, Façade Best DJ Laptop Stand. Odyssey FCF3336BL Deluxe Folding DJ Stand is a very sturdy and sleek stand. It has a shelf on the inside which is very handy for easily accessible items. It comes in black color and can be easily folded. This stand provides a clean, professional appearance and is easy to set up, collapse, and transport. The components that are used to produce this series includes the aluminum trim and hardware, which is anodized and powder-coated in black, for a one-of-a-kind look that is so sleek-looking. This DJ stand is affordable, and the manufacturer offers free shipping to customers' recessed heavy-duty handle and latches. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.